Hi students, today I will explain modern periodic table or arrangement of elements in the modern periodic table. And once you can look at here, it is the basic skeleton structure of a periodic table. It is the basic skeleton structure of a periodic table. And entire periodic table, the scientists divide into like groups and periods. The vertical columns, vertical meaning top to bottom, is called as the vertical. The vertical columns are called as the groups and the horizontal lines are called as the periods. Top to bottom is called as the groups and left to right are called as the periods. And entire elements, they are arranged into 18 groups. The group number, they are arranged into Arabic letters like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So these are the groups, and top to and left to right they arrange the periods, and there are the 7 periods in the modern periodic table. Those are the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These 7 are the periods. Top to bottom is called as the groups and left to right are called as the periods. And in the bottom, just they are placed into the two columns. Those are the lanthanoids and actinoids. Those are the lanthanoids and actinoids. Okay students, and in this video I will explain all the elements how to arrange in the periodic table. And whenever we are preparing the periodic table, you should prepare the groups from top to bottom. Why? Because in the intermediate sector, each group they are giving into one chapter, so that whenever you are preparing the elements, you should prepare top to bottom. But whenever writing that, you should write into the left to right. Okay students, in the first period it mainly contain two elements. Those are the hydrogen and helium. First period it contain only two elements. Those are the hydrogen and helium. And second period it mainly contain 8 elements. Those are lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine and neon. And second period it mainly contain 8 elements. Those are the lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine and neon. And third period also contain 8 elements. Those are the sodium, magnesium, aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine and argon. Okay students, in third period it mainly contain how many elements? 8 elements. Those are sodium, magnesium, aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine and argon. And fourth period containing 18 elements. The starting element is potassium, calcium, scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese, iron, cobalt, nickel, copper, zinc. Zinc atomic number is the 30. And gallium, germanium, arsenic and selenium and bromine and krypton. Okay students, once again I am explaining. In the fourth period it mainly contain 18 elements. The starting one is the potassium, and potassium, calcium, scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese, iron, cobalt, nickel, copper, zinc, gallium, germanium, arsenic, selenium, bromine, krypton. These 18 elements are belongs to fourth period. And fifth period also contain 18 elements. The starting element is the rubidium, strontium, ytterbium, zirconium, niobium, molybdenum, technetium, ruthenium, rhodium, palladium, silver, cadmium, indium, tin, stibbium, and tellurium, iodine, and xenon. And once again I am explaining, in the fifth period it mainly contained 18 elements. Those are rubidium, strontium, ytterbium, zirconium, niobium, molybdenum, technetium, ruthenium, rhodium, palladium, silver, cadmium, indium, tin, stibbium, tellurium, iodine, and xenon. And sixth period it contained 32 elements in the periodic table, and the sixth period is called as the longest period in the periodic table. And sixth period starting element is the cesium. Sixth period starting element is the cesium. Then after the barium and lanthanum. And here the lanthanum atomic number is the 57. Lanthanum atomic number is the 57. Lanthanum after the next element is the hafnium. The lanthanum after next element is the hafnium, and atomic number is the 72. So between the 57 and 72 they are missing 14 elements. The 14 elements they are placed into the lanthanides. Okay students, and hafnium after thallium, wolfram, rhenium, osmonium, iridium, platinum, Au, that is the gold, mercury, and thallium, lead, bismuth, polonium, astatine, and radon. Polonium, astatine, and radon. And seventh period starting with the element is the francium. Actually the seventh period is called as the incomplete period. Why? Because there are some gaps here. And the starting element is the francium and the radium, and the next one is the actinum. And here the actinum atomic number is the 89. Actinum after next element is the rutherfordium. The atomic number is the 104. Between the 89 to 104 they are missing 14 elements. The 14 elements they are placed separately at the bottom of the periodic table. Those are called as the actinides. Rutherfordium and dubnerium, and sedbergium, borium, hassium, metastinum, and damastandum. So it is the 110 element. It is a 110 element. Actually if the element atomic number 100, the greater than 100, they have separate nomenclature. I will make another video. And lanthanum after 14 elements are called as the lanthanides. Lanthanum after 14 elements are called as the lanthanides. So the lanthanide we will discuss here. The starting element in the lanthanides is the cerium, praseodymium, neodymium, promethium, samarium, europium, gadolinium, terbium, disaprasium, halonium, erbium, thulium, ytterbium, and lutetium. These 14 elements are called as the lanthanides. Once again I am repeating: cerium, praseodymium, neodymium, promethium, samarium, europium, gadolinium, terbium, disaprasium, halonium, erbium, thulium, ytterbium, lutetium. And here actinum after 14 elements, actinum after 14 elements are called as the actinoids. So here actinide starting with the letter is the atomic number is the 90. So the 90th element is the like a thorium, protostinum, and uranium, neptunium, plutonium, americium, curium, beryllium, californium, einsteinium, and fermium, Fm fermium, and mendeleum, nobelium, and nobelium and nobelium and lawrencium. Once again I am repeating, actinoids are thorium, protostinum, uranium, neptunium, plutonium, americium, curium, beryllium, californium, einsteinium, fermium, mendeleum, nobelium, lawrencium. These 14 elements are called actinoids. And here, and from hydrogen to francium, these elements are called alkali family. These elements are called alkali family. And the second group elements are called as like a beryllium to radium. These elements are called alkali earth metal. These elements are called alkali earth metal. And 13th group elements are called as the boron family. And 14th group elements are called as the carbon family. And 15th group elements are called as the nitrogen family. The 16th group elements are called as the either the oxygen family or the chalcogens family, and 17th group are called as the halogen family, and 18th group called as the noble gas family. So this is about the arrangement of elements in the modern periodic table. Thank you students. If you like my video, give me the like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.